How to use Monochrome chat theme on your Facebook Messenger. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to go ahead and update your messenger to the latest version in order to ensure that you have the Monochrome theme on your messenger. Right after that, let's go ahead and open up the application right here, and once inside, you want to open up a conversation that you want to change the theme with. In my case, it's going to be this conversation right here. Now, since I'm using my iPhone device, the way to go ahead and view the main menu settings for this specific conversation is by clicking on the name of the person right here. But for you Android users, you will have a specific button to open this menu. Now, once inside, you will then go ahead and see the customization category. You want to click on the theme right here, and inside you can just go ahead and look for Monochrome. Now in my case, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down, and below the themes right here, we then have the gradient colors. You can just go ahead and click on the Monochrome theme, click on select, and we will be able to change our messenger theme into Monochrome. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.